This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jinx Bright. Amazing property with endless options. 5 apartments plus a large commercial workshop and yard. Plenty of off-road parking. All the apartments have separate entrances. Workshop main area measures 30 by 23 by 15 high. There is an office 8 by 10, half bathroom, and upper floor level storage space. Second level loft is large enough to fit a lift for commercial vehicles. The property is zoned WP1 residential. Professional, industrial. The current owners used to run a parking lot paving and sweeper business. Large work yard for storage, maintenance, supply lay down area. For more information, review the details below.